Hi, I'm Kaushik. I head Raptorize, which is a suite of SaaS products. I'm going to talk about two things today. One is PerceptPixel, which is one of the products which has come out of this suite called as Raptorize. And in that light, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to do a demo on what it means to have suboptimal images on the website. But that's in the second part of the video. I hope you guys stick on till then. Anyway, so without further ado, let me sort of talk to you guys a little bit about what PerceptPixel is, and sort of take you guys through a bit of a tour on PerceptPixel. So, PerceptPixel, it's an image CDN. What it does is it optimizes your images. It can help you with image transformation. It does background removal. It can sort of change from color to monochrome. It can do a bunch of those things, right? Um, what is more important is it's not just a CDN, but it transforms images. I'm just reiterating that. And transformation is extremely important, as you will see towards the end of the demo. Okay, so let's just go to the dashboard. I'm already logged in. Go to the media library, and so these are all the images which I had uploaded. Let me upload a fresh image. Let's choose this one. So it's uploading something called as eclipse dot png. So, and as you can notice, it's a heavy file, so it's taking a little bit of time. It's done now. What I'll do is I'll try and transform. Now, what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to make sure that you're also looking at the quality of this image when we look at transforming it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a format called as WebP. I can choose any other format if I want. If you notice, the size of this image went from 1.9 MB to 45 KB, but the quality of the image has been maintained. I mean, you can do a bunch of other things in terms of resizing and other such transformations that you can apply. But for now, I'm just doing this. Let me just save this image. It's done. It's as easy as that, and you can see this has been transformed, and this image size is 45 KB. And I've copied it. I mean, it's already there in the CDN now. You don't have to do anything. You can just extract this particular image and use it in your code or wherever on your website, right? Now, that's the first part of the demo. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to sort of optimize your images and use it from a CDN using PerceptPixel. Um, what I'll now do as part of the second part of the demo is take you all through something that I sort of built recently. This is just a application that I built on Netlify, which shows the power of the optimized content delivery network. Optimized is important. Now, the first HTML page that we have is the images on that are getting delivered without any CDN. What that means is it's directly coming from the server. So I'm going to sort of take this and I'm going to use web page tests help to essentially tell me the page load time of images when they are being loaded from the server and they don't have a CDN. What I'm then going to do is, I'm going to go back and I'm going to take, the same images which I've uploaded on a CDN now. So this is a CDN with suboptimal images. So I'm going to, load this particular link. For some reason it's taking time. Maybe it's because the tests are running here. Let's see. Let's wait for it to complete. um, okay, let's give it some more time. Okay, so this test is complete, and it took approximately, if you can see, 10 seconds for this particular HTML page. It's pretty simple, really. It doesn't have anything. I've made it simple intentionally. It just has images to load, and it took close to 10 and a half seconds, right? So what we'll do now, okay, this looks like there was a problem with this site, but now it is opening. So what we'll do now is we'll take the images. Remember, the second one is the CDN with suboptimal images. So we'll take this. We will request web page test to run a speed test again, this time through a CDN to notice, the difference that might be there as far as performance is concerned. And while this particular test is running, we will go back and we will take the exact same images which we would have transformed via PerceptPixel and kept it in the same CDN and see how much time that takes. So we'll wait for this test to get over. Looks like it's done. And if you notice, because so the difference between this particular test is that it's coming from no CDN, and it's taken us 10.37 on an average 10.5 seconds. And if you were to notice, this is coming from a CDN but without optimized images. It's taking 5.6 seconds, which is almost a 50% gain just by using a CDN. We'll use the same web page test, and what we will do is we'll now employ images which have been transformed and kept on the CDN, and then let's see how much time that takes, right? Um, and then what I really want to sort of prove by doing this demo is essentially demonstrate the power of transformations from the scene. And of course, Percept Pixel has other things, like background image removal, color to monochrome, etc. But right now, I'm just demoing this particular functionality. So we'll just see how much time this took. If you notice, this is taking 3.6 seconds, which is probably another 40 to 45% reduction just by transforming the image, right? And if you can see, there isn't too much of a visual difference in quality in either of these pages. So we'll do that again. So you have this page, exact same HTML, same images, not coming from a CDN. This page coming from a CDN, but the images are not optimized. Same HTML, and this is the same HTML from a CDN with images optimized, right? And these are the results. The first one takes 10.4, approximately 10.5 seconds. The second one takes, on an average 5.6 seconds, which is a 40%, 45% reduction right there. And then when you actually transform them, it takes around 3.35 or 3.5 seconds, which is again approximately a 45 to 50% reduction. All right, so that's what I wanted to sort of demo to all of you today. Thank you for your time, folks. Later.